Dear friend, the gizzard is ready. Everywhere smells good in the house. It's soft, spicy, and with succulent vegetables. Charlie, wait there. Wadam for background money bindi. At the end of the day, they made me a can say, you do try it at home. Now I know you enjoy it. Everything about this food is so great. Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gabi GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make spicy gizzard at home. Our next video will be how to make crunchy crispy fried yam at home. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe, not too much talking. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Yeah, friend, let's go through the ingredients we are going to use to make our spicy gizzard. I have black pepper here, lemon, bay leaves, salt, garlic, green pepper, carrots, onion, and the gizzard. This gizzard is 1 kilo. I bought it 30 cedis at Kaneshi Market. And the sauce, we are not going to make any new sauce to spice our gizzard. And if you want to know how I made this sauce, please, on the same channel, go to how I made the guinea fowl. It's the same sauce I'm going to use for the gizzard. So it's simple. Just go there and watch how I made the sauce. You will see the inside, this yellow membrane. All this space covered by this yellow membrane. And this contains pebbles or small stones. This is the chamber where all the food that the chicken will eat or the rooster will eat, it will be grind here by this membrane because of the pebbles inside. That's why gizzard always smells bad, because this chamber contains extra feed always. So the place is always fermented. So if you don't use the lemon to clean it, you know, your gizzard will not smell good, even no matter how you are going to spice it. And always clean it when you buy it from the shop, because they will not be able to remove all the excess tissues and membrane and fat on the gizzard to make it perfect for consumption. This is the white or the silver membrane of the gizzard. I try to cut it off because this part is like a plastic. So that part is how I do it. You see, this side are okay, but where they all meet, the middle, this side is very tough, and you can cook it, and it take a very long time before it will be soft. So what I do is I just fold it like this, then I cut that part off. Easy. So you see how it is. So you try to get rid of that one so that you don't need to spend too much time cooking your gizzard. See this part? I fold it like this. And you should make sure your knife is very sharp. Then I'll cut it off. Yeah, friend, cleaning the gizzard like this is optional, and the gizzard you buy on the street, they don't clean it like this. But I highly recommend it because it will make a big difference in your gizzard dish. This is the total waste I got from cleaning it. So it's not easy job, but it's worth it. The kind of beautiful and soft gizzard you are going to get, and you can see it's very clean and sexy. So this is the lemon, and to get the most out of your lemon, you rub it on a hard surface, and then you cut it into two. So what happens is when you rub it on the hard surface, the individual capsules inside will burst, and you easily get all the juice you need. So what you do is to put salt on it, and please don't add water at this stage. If you add water to it, it is going to reduce the acidic concentration of the lemon juice, and it will lose while you are applying the lemon juice on it. So what you do is you mix the salt and the lemon on it, because it doesn't smell good. You see the color has changed. I'm really working on it. So like this. Then we leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before you add water to rinse it to get rid of the lemon and the excess salt. Dear friend, the gizzard is nicely washed, and I have crushed the garlic, the onion, bay leaves, and then the black pepper. If you don't have it, don't worry. Just add the peelings of your carrot to make sure our gizzard tastes better before we add our sauce. Dear friend, okay, this has been boiling for about 20-25 minutes, and it's very soft. And I don't need to tell you, here is smelling good. It's very soft, you can see. Dear friend, the pot is hot. This is already cooked, so we'll just drop our gizzard inside. And dear friend, here's our vegetable. You can see it looks so beautiful, and our gizzard will be power packed. Dear friend, the gizzard is ready. Everywhere smells good in the house. It's soft, spicy, and with succulent vegetables. Charlie, wait there. Wadam for background money bindi. At the end yet de. Oh, Charlie, me who dear main camp. Where's Nina answer? They meet me a can say, you do try it at home. Now I know you enjoy it. Everything about this food is so great. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. I upload new video every week. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adieu.